we'll guide you through how to install C++ in Docker container. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open up your preferred code editor on your computer and create a new project folder named Alpine C++ project. Inside that newly created folder, create a source code file and name it main.cpp. Open that file and write a simple C++ program that will successfully display the phrase "Hello C++ on the screen. Once you have written the code, make sure to save the main.cpp file so you do not lose your work. Next, you need to set up the container configuration, so create a file simply named Docker file in the project root directory. Inside this Docker file, begin by setting the base image to the latest version of Alpine Linux. On the next line, instruct the system to install the required C++ build tools by adding a run command that uses the Alpine package manager to install the build base package with no cache. After that, set the working directory for the container to a folder named app. With the directory set up, use the copy command to copy all of your local project files directly into the container. Next, compile the program by adding a run command that uses the G++ compiler to take your main.cpp file and output an executable named myapp. Finally, set the default startup command instructing the container to execute that myapp file when it launches. Save the Docker file with these new instructions. Now, build the image by running the docker build command, tagging the image as Alpine C++, and including a period for the current directory. Once the build completes, run your container by executing the docker run command, including the flag to automatically remove the container after it runs the Alpine C++ image. Finally, check your terminal output to verify it successfully displays the message "Hello C++!"